The stage lights were blinding, the crowd roaring louder than ever. But for Kim Taeyeon, everything faded the moment his eyes found Jeon Jungkook. Taeyeon was already looking at him. It was not just a glance. It was the kind of look that held 1,000 unspoken words, comfort, longing, and something deeper they never dared to name out loud. Jungkook smiled first. He walked closer, slow, teasing like always. But this time his heart was racing harder than the music. Taeyeon didn't move away. He never did. Jungkook. Taeyeon whispered barely, audible under the music. Jungkook didn't answer. Instead, he reached out, fingers brushing against Taeyeon's cheeks, soft and lingering. For a second, Taeyeon froze, then melted into the touch, his eyes closing, like it was the only place he felt safe. The world was watching, but somehow it felt like it was just them. You shouldn't do this here, Taeyeon murmured, though his voice lacked any real resistance. Jungkook leaned closer, his lips near Taeyeon's ears. Then, where should I? He whispered back, a smile hidden in his tone. Taeyeon opened his eyes again, and there it was that look, the one that made Jungkook forget every boundary they ever set. A soft laugh escaped Taeyeon, breath shaky. You made it hard to pretend. Jungkook's expression softened instantly. I don't want to pretend anymore. For a moment, time stood still. The music, the crowd, the lights, everything blurred into nothing as Taeyeon's hand slowly found Jungkook's wrist, holding it there, not letting him pull away. And in that small fleeting second, they were not idols, they were not hiding, they were just two hearts finally being opened. Jungkook leaned in, just a little closer, not enough for the world to see, but enough for Taeyeon to feel, and Taeyeon smiled because he understood. He always did. Thank you for watching.